stables from our room. We're going to Regensberg today. This is the horse farm that we stayed at. It's a riding stable. That's the AirBnB that we stayed at. This is farm country. So we're in the city of Regensberg. And that's the St. Peter's Dome we see right over there. And this is the Danube River. There's Dimji on the river Danube. How did she get so far? So this is the only preserved Roman gate north of the Alps. It was built in 170 AD. So this is the bishop's residence. Right under the shadow of the church. So we're in a little coffee shop near the David and Goliath. And Jim is having a giant strudel. Coffee and cake. So what did you think of this apple strudel?
This is my first time to have it.
And what was your opinion?
Good. I thought it was like a crusty bake, but it's not. It's like they bake it in the sauce. So it's wet.
We have David and Goliath. It's a big tourist attraction here, but I have no idea why. I think there was a wedding here. So this is the Heidplatz Regensberg, the traditional square in Germany. Palace. This is St. Peter's. There's a picture in the, it's like a picture of an old city inside. Actually, it's just a reflection. And that's the berglabor.
ก็เวลามันช้ามันตามอารมณ์
Nuremberg Castle. I don't think there's any Bavarian food here. What do you think? No Bavarian food here. There may be Bavarian food here. Front on Google Maps. Where are we?
We are at the German restaurant. Look like very good too. Like no tourists.
And nobody speaks English, so we sort of made ourselves understood. So we got salad, no problem.
I don't know what town.
This is the restaurant. It's called Landgasthof Hamerschmjede. Jim finally got her duck.
But not the...
She didn't get the leg, but she got the, must be, what is that, breast?
turkey.
Potato. Boiled potato. She's giving me her dumpling. What do you think of your meal?
We're lucky. We drove around and then we found this restaurant, no tourists, and ate, ordered, I think it was duck, but it's not. I think it's a goose because it's so big, the breast.
Good, huh?
Very good.
This is Hamerschmjede or something.